Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hunter low profile ceiling fan in polished brass. This fan is dated the first quarter of 1991. I picked this fan up on Facebook Marketplace a while back. I pretty much got it because it was in very good shape and I've always kind of wanted one of these. They're not really sentimental to me, but I just thought they were pretty cool. This one works very well though. It's really quiet, other than some of the bearing noise. And yeah, so I'll fire it up for you. I'll start it off on low speed. It's a very nice low speed. And also, the fan's in reverse because since it's very close to the ceiling, it is really restricted, so the only way I can really show any airflow is for it to be in reverse and go near the wall. So, anyway, sorry about that, but that's just the way it's going to be. It's a nice low speed though. It's about low. I'll take out the medium speed. This is when you might start hearing, you might start hearing a little bit of the bearing noise. Still nothing too major. That's medium, and I'll kick it up to high. This fan really gets going on high too. It's no slacker. I'll show some of the air right here. See the flags moving. It's a really classy looking fan too. I know I have one of the late 80s ones, which is spray painted black, but I still like both of them. Just such a cool looking fan, since I don't see these that often either. I think the tag is up here somewhere. Curious. Not too positive, but it is from the first quarter of 1991. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.